In this video, you'll learn how to create a comparison table in Notion. By following these steps, you will have a functional table that helps you compare various items efficiently. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Locate the Google Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar and double-click it to launch the browser. Once it opens, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will be essential for accessing Notion. Next, navigate to the Notion website by entering notion.so in the address bar and pressing the Enter key. This action will take you to the Notion homepage. If you are not signed in, you will need to do so at this point using your account credentials. After logging in, you will see your Notion workspace. Click on the title of the page where you want to create the comparison table. This is usually located at the top of the workspace, and it allows you to set the context for your new table. Type in the title you want for your comparison table in the designated area. This title will help you identify the table later, so choose something descriptive. Ensure that the text is clear and informative to make it easy to understand. Once you've entered the title, click on a blank space within the page to deselect the title area. This action will prepare the page for the next steps. You should see that the title is now set and the cursor is free to move. Type in /table in the blank space where your cursor is located. This command prompts Notion to suggest creating a table. As you type, suggestions will appear below the input area, indicating that the application recognizes your command. Alternatively, you can press the space key to activate Notion's AI features. This option allows the AI to assist you in generating content, including tables. Based on your input, the AI will respond quickly, usually within a few seconds. Type create comparison table as your next command. This phrase will instruct Notion to generate a comparison table layout for you. After entering this text, wait for the AI to process your request and generate the table. Once the AI has generated the table, you will see a confirmation message appear confirming that the comparison table has been created. This step is essential to ensure that your request was successful. Click on the accept button to finalize the creation of your comparison table. This confirmation allows you to proceed with using the table as needed. You should notice that the table now appears in your Notion workspace. After accepting, click on a blank space again to ensure that the table is properly integrated into your page. This action will help you avoid any accidental edits to the title or table. You have successfully created a comparison table in Notion, and the table will now be available for you to fill in with the necessary data for your comparisons. To enhance your table, navigate to the title area again. Click on it to edit or highlight any specific aspects of your comparison that you want to emphasize. This action allows you to draw attention to important details. Type in highlight to apply emphasis to specific table elements. After entering the text, click on the highlighted area to ensure your changes are saved and visible. Continue to fill in the table as needed by clicking on various cells to input your data. You can organize information in rows and columns to facilitate clear comparisons. If you wish to create additional tables or sections, repeat the previous steps as necessary. This flexibility allows you to customize your Notion workspace according to your specific needs. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.